Welcome back to the America Best Appliances channel. We bring you the best info on home appliances. Visit our website at americabestappliances.com for all your appliance needs. Before we get started, please like and subscribe.
4 benefits of installing a new backyard grill. The backyard grill is an outdoor cooking appliance that allows you to cook food over a fire. It is a great way to enjoy time with friends and family while cooking outdoors. The backyard grill is a trend that has been growing in popularity, especially in the past few years. It can be used for many different things such as barbecuing, grilling, smoking, and roasting. There are many different types of grills on the market, including gas, charcoal, electric, and wood charcoal. Expanding your living area, you can install a backyard grill in your garden or backyard to add a little more seating space and make your outdoor living area more functional. Expanding your living area is a good way to bring the outdoors inside. It is also an excellent way to enjoy the fresh air and sunshine while grilling some delicious food. This is a great way to add more value to your backyard and make it feel like a real part of the house. You can also use it for entertaining guests or simply grilling that special meal you've been craving all day. Increasing your home's value. If you're looking to increase the value of your home, you might want to consider installing a backyard grill. There are many different reasons why a backyard grill can increase the value of your home. One is that it can be a great way to entertain guests at your house and show off your skills in the kitchen. Another is that it can make for an inviting outdoor living space, where people will want to spend time outside instead of inside their homes. Reducing utility bills. A backyard grill is an alternative to expensive and inefficient traditional cooking methods. Installing a backyard grill can also help you save time and money, since it is much easier to cook meals on it than using other appliances like ovens and stoves. The installation of a backyard grill does not require any special skills or expertise. All that you need to do is follow the instructions in the manual that comes with it. The process of installation is simple, and it takes less than an hour for most people to finish installing one. Healthier eating experience. Backyard grill is a new take on the traditional backyard. Bibuki. It's a grill that you can install in your backyard or anywhere else you want to cook outdoors. This device is made for people who are looking for healthier and more sustainable cooking options. It has been designed to be eco-friendly and uses less gas than other grills. The backyard grill is easy to make your outdoor cooking experience healthier and more efficient.
It was our pleasure to spend some time with you. Thank you for watching the America Best Appliances channel. Let us know what you think of this video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Again, visit americabestappliances.com for all your home appliance needs.